You send your script as an email attachment. Your friend downloads it and hits run. Module not found error, they don't have the libraries you used. Even if they did, your imports assume a folder structure only you have. Hey, I'm Kai, and this is Fun with Learning Technology. Today's question is simple. What does that other developer's project have that yours doesn't? You don't need to be running some big open source project to answer this. It applies to a 50-line script just as much. By the end, you'll understand why pip install works and you'll build and publish something yourself. Compare that to pip install requests. One line and the exact right code lands in the exact right place. That's not magic, it's because the author packaged it first. The mistake beginners make is dumping a folder of PY files on GitHub and calling that the package. It works for you locally because your imports happen to resolve. But pip has nothing to read, no name, no version, no dependency list. Packaging means writing that contact down so any tool on any machine can install it correctly. Before this, a Python project could be described by setup.py requirements.txt and a handful of other files that each tool read differently. Pyproject.toml replaces all of that with one file. Look at the project section, a name, a version, and a dependencies list. That's the whole contract every install tool reads. Your code currently lives loose next to your test scripts. The standard layout puts your package inside a src folder. That forces you to test the installed version, not the local one. So the version your friend gets is the version you actually tested. That's the layout bug that actually bites people. A flat layout lets a broken import work locally by accident, and you don't find out until someone else installs it. The name in pyproject.toml is literally what someone types after pipe install. So it has to be unique across all of PyPI. And every time you publish, the version number has to go up. PyPI won't let you override a release that's already out there. Here's the piece that would have saved the friend from the hook. Under dependencies, you list every package your code actually imports, with a minimum version if it matters. When someone runs pip install on your project, pip reads this list and pulls every one of those in before your code ever runs. No module not found error. Run Python and build. It reads your pyproject.toml and your source folder. It bundles everything into a single .toml file. That file is just a zip with a shape every Python installer understands. Installers need something pre-built and predictable like that. Running arbitrary setup code on every machine is slow, and it's a security risk. If you skip testing and publish straight to the real PyPI, two things can go wrong. Someone already has the name you picked, so your upload just fails. Or your code has a bug, and now everyone who runs pip install gets it, because you can't delete a live release and reuse that version number. Before the real thing, there's a practice version, TestPyPI. You upload your wheel there first, you install it back down and check it actually works. That step exists specifically because on real PyPI, a taken name or a bad release can't be undone. Uploading a wheel to PyPI needs authentication and a defined upload protocol. Twine is the standard tool that handles both, so you don't have to hand roll it. Run Python mbuild to make the wheel. Then twine upload on the dist folder pushes everything in it to the real index. Now your friend doesn't get your .p file at all. They just type pip install your project name. The same command that installed request at the start. That's the pattern for any project you want to hand someone. Instead of a link, describe what it needs in pyproject.toml, build it into a wheel, test the install on TestPyPI, then push it for real. One of these lands every day. Subscribe if you'd rather not miss one.